Building a PC is like putting together a puzzle, but instead of a picture, you get a powerful machine. It might seem intimidating at first, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Plus, it's super rewarding to game on a PC you built yourself. Imagine this. You're playing the latest game and it's running buttery smooth. That's the magic of a custom PC. You choose the parts, you build it, and you end up with a machine that's perfect for you. No more lag, no more frustration, just pure gaming bliss. So are you ready to dive in and build your dream PC? Let's go! Before we start building, we need the right parts. Think of it like buying ingredients for a delicious meal. Here's your shopping list. CPU, the brain of your PC. Motherboard, connects all the parts together. RAM, helps your PC run programs quickly. GPU, makes your games look amazing. Storage, where you store your games, files, and everything else. Power supply, provides electricity to all components. Case, holds all the components and makes it look cool. Choosing compatible parts is super important. Make sure your motherboard, CPU, and RAM all work together. Don't worry, we'll talk more about compatibility later. And remember, set a budget before you start shopping. Now for the fun part, assembling the PC. We'll take it slow and easy. First, open your case and lay down the motherboard box. Install the CPU onto the motherboard, then attach the CPU cooler. Next, add the RAM sticks. Now carefully place the motherboard into the case. Connect the power supply to the motherboard and other components. Install the GPU into its slot. Finally, connect your storage devices. See, that wasn't so hard, right? Time to see if our hard work paid off. Connect your monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Turn on the power supply and press the power button. If everything is connected properly, you should see the BIOS screen. What if your PC doesn't start? Don't panic. Double-check all the connections. Make sure the RAM sticks are properly seated. Sometimes it's just a loose cable. Once you boot into the BIOS, you can install your operating system. After that, your dream PC is ready to go. You did it. You built your own PC. Now go enjoy those awesome games.